Platform laser welding machine. Highly integrated structure. Easy to operate. Integrate a laser source, fiber, control system, and gas processing unit inside. Fast installation or commissioning. Work table. Fits small positioner for auxiliary machining. Equipped with linear axis modules. Supports external access linkage. Multi-degree of freedom adjustment available. Smooth welding for complex seams. Real-time monitoring of platform working status. User-friendly control software. Intuitive graphic UI. Import DXF files directly for graphic editing. Continuous and pulse dual mode. Ideal for small and medium precision parts welding. High welding efficiency. Low power consumption. Boost unit production capacity. Smooth and nice weld bead after welding. Controllable penetration depth. Minimal workpiece deformation. Widely used in hardware, electronics, auto parts, and kitchenware industries. Multi-station working design. Non-stop alternate production between stations. Simultaneous welding and loading. No downtime for work post clamping. Greatly improve production efficiency. Perfect for mass continuous production. Fixed parameters during mass production. Consistent welding quality of workpieces. Stable quality for whole batches. Built-in CCD camera module. Real-time weld viewing during operation.